You're bidding on a Coffing 2-ton chain fall. This has got a 25-foot lift with a 10-foot pull chain. It's a Coffing Superoid, and it's pretty quiet. It came out of a closed auto plant. It's been in stock, but you can hear it's pretty quiet. Why don't you give it a zip?
Yeah, this is up.
That's up. Seems pretty good. That's going up.
Here's down.
Here's down. Very quiet. You can see the speed on it. It's pretty good speed. This is a heavy-duty chain. Got a latch hook suspension.
The Crosby hook.
Crosby hook. Pretty nice with a latch hook in very good condition.
The chain is a welded
2-ton chain.
25-foot.
25-foot lift. Pretty nice outfit here.
Let me drop it down.
Well, drop it down. That's our chain fall making noise, not this. This is pretty quiet. Very nice condition. Two-ton Superoid. Factory plant number. Good luck bidding.